Hi guys, welcome back to Thompson TV. It's Charlotte here and today we're making a quick video to show you our three Wildax. Now we've got amazing offers on these vehicles at the minute, one being a pre-reg and two brand new vehicles. Now for the Pulsars, the Mark 1 and the Mark 2, it's while stock's last, or these are the very last two vehicles that we have. So guys, I'm going to firstly show you around our Wildax Pulsar Mark 1. There's amazing value for money in this vehicle now. It's been reduced from £77,215 down to £68,950. Only 5 metres in length, but packed with lots of lovely accessories. So let's get into it. Right guys, so I'll show you around the outside quickly and give you a look inside. One of the standout features of this vehicle now is that we actually have the gas flow system installed. So cheaper way of filling up your gas, that's your refillable gas system. What I love about this van is you've actually two sliding doors, so if you get a good nice sunny day like today, you can whip those both open and you've got your lounge in the front to sit in and enjoy the sun. And at the back you've got all your driver aids that you need. So you've got your reverse camera alongside your reverse sensors and a spare tyre. Right, so in our Pulsar Mark 1 we have 3-ring gas burner, combi oven and grill. All your control panels is up here. You've plenty of storage in the cupboards throughout the vehicle, and you've got a shower and toilet in here. And into the front lounge we've got our 4 seat belts and 2 berths, so your 2 seats here slide down and make into a nice large double bed. So this is the Wildax Pulsar Mark 2. This is 0.4 metres longer than the Mark 1, so you have that little bit of extra space inside. And this van has been reduced from £77,215 down to £73,950. The key standout features of this vehicle is obviously your lovely ceramic grey paint. This van also comes with your full demonstrator awning, and you've got a solar panel and all your driving aids at the back, your reverse camera and your reverse sensors. Lastly, we have our Wildax Meteor. Now this comes in at £80,290. Comes with lots of lovely specification as well. Some to stand out would be your solar panel. You've got a lithium leisure battery, and you've also got a TV aerial and a TV. But come on in and we'll show you around this lovely vehicle. So as you can see, this is just such a stunning finish. We've got all our lovely features like our matte black sink, and you've all little touches of that throughout the van into the bathroom. You've got your bench seats at the back, so you sleep 2 single beds. You've got your TV back here with your TV aerial. This van is just shy of 6 metres, so 5.98 metres. So nice and compact size yet again, although you have all this lounge space around you. Thanks for watching everybody. Now full details covering specification of all these vehicles can be seen online at our website, so that's thompsonleisure.com. If you have any inquiries or questions about any of these vehicles as well, we're all happy to help. So you can give us a call on 028 9269 3999 and press through to sales. Myself or one of the team will be happy to help you. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know in the comments which one of these Wildax is your favourite as well.